the secret to upselling for newborn photographers. Okay, so if you don't know what the upselling pricing model is, I'm going to go ahead and give you a short overview right now. So there's all-inclusive photography. A lot of photographers are all-inclusive photographers, and in some industries that makes sense. So for example, if you are in the wedding photography industry, it makes sense to be all-inclusive. You're going to include all of someone's wedding photos, right? And when I was a wedding photographer, I did include all of the photos, and I still would if I was a wedding photographer today. But for niches like newborn and family photography, the upselling method makes a lot of sense. So instead of including the entire gallery, for my full sessions, I include 20 photos. And I started doing this when I first became a family photographer and newborn photographer. I included all the photos, and I just had so many clients say that, or potential clients say that they weren't booking with me because they wanted to pay less for a smaller package. And once I switched over to the upselling method where I charge a certain amount for just 20 photos and then they can upgrade to the full gallery if they would like to, people started booking me like crazy. I gave people what they were asking for, and it made my business boom. Like, this is what people want. And the crazy thing to me is, in my head, I'm like, this is not a good deal for you. This is a good deal for me, but that's what people want and they love it. And if I can tell you another secret, almost everyone upgrades to the full gallery or at least purchases additional images. And so I actually make a lot more money this way. So I've had people question, like, is this worth it? Why don't you just raise your prices and be an all-inclusive photographer? But it is worth it to me because I get more bookings this way because this is what people want, and they upgrade to the full gallery a huge percentage of the time, especially for my mini sessions. So if you're someone who offers mini sessions, hopefully you are only including 5 photos. That is how many photos I include in my mini sessions. And my mini sessions are not a good deal for the client, and people are just booking them like crazy. People want mini sessions and they almost always buy the full gallery for mini sessions. So my mini sessions are $550 and they include 5 photos. And in my mind, that's not a good deal, but people love it. And they almost always, like I said, upgrade to the full gallery for an additional $350. Okay, and then my full sessions are $750 and they get an additional $350 to upgrade to the full gallery, or my individual photos. They can buy individual photos as well for $45 each. And then I do also offer an all-inclusive package, which also includes video, and that one is $1,100. Okay, but people love this upselling pricing method, and I don't know why, but it works. It has made my business boom, and it makes me more money. It's one of those things where even though it's not a good deal for the client loves it, and again, it is making me more money. So I recommend this model of pricing if you are a family and newborn photographer. Okay, so I'm gonna talk in this video about how do we get clients to upgrade to the full gallery. So like I said, for mini sessions, I would say 90% of my clients upgrade to the full gallery. And for full sessions, I would say over half of my clients upgrade to the full gallery, and most at least purchase additional images. So what is my secret to what makes clients upgrade to the full gallery, right? What makes them not just choose that 20 photos like they thought they wanted? They thought that they only wanted those 20 photos. That's why they didn't book my full all-inclusive package. but they almost always end up upgrading to the full package, okay? My secret is posing, right? First of all, you want to serve your clients really well and give them amazing photos that they just can't, that they love and they can't decide. They can't pick 20 photos that they love, okay? They can't only pick 20 photos. So the way that I do this is in variety of posing, creating a full gallery. My galleries are usually around 100 photos, and they are not just 100 photos that are all similar. They are all unique, and I do this in a short amount of time. Newborn parents, they want to get things done quickly and get back to sleep, nap when the baby naps, all of that. So I try to be as efficient as possible, especially with newborns. And sometimes you don't have that much time because, baby needs a break to eat, or we have to calm baby if they're fussy. So you don't necessarily have as much like actual posing time in newborn sessions as you do in other types of sessions. So we need to be efficient with the time that we have. But in that time that we are posing our clients, we want to create a full gallery of very, very diverse and beautiful images. And if you are someone who struggles with creating that huge, diverse gallery of different poses in a short amount of time very efficiently for your newborn sessions, I actually have a free posing guide for you to download in the description below, and that will give you tons of ideas of poses for those in-home newborn sessions. Especially, it'll work for studio or outdoor newborn sessions as well. I do all three of those types of photography, but I love in-home newborn photography the most. And so anyway, you'll have a lot of different posing ideas for your in-home newborn sessions. Now, if you create a beautiful, diverse gallery, there's gonna be no way that they can choose only 20 photos they love, especially for newborn sessions. I would say for newborn sessions specifically, it's probably at least 75% that end up upgrading to the full gallery, because this is such a special time. They don't want to have to choose for the only photos they have, the only professional photos they have of that newborn period with their baby. So in my opinion, newborn sessions are the easiest ones to upsell, because parents don't want to choose for newborn photos. They want to have them all. Whereas for family sessions, they might be able to narrow it down. For newborn sessions, if you give them a beautiful gallery, if you serve them well, if you make them feel seen and loved during the session, and if you provide them with a huge variety of posing and composition and very different gallery of, let's say, 100 photos, they're not going to be able to choose 20. They're going to upgrade to the full gallery. Okay, so that is my secret to getting my clients to upgrade to the full gallery. Serve them well, love them well, and be amazing with your posing, and be efficient with your amazing posing, right? So go ahead and download that free posing guide in the description below. And if you try out those poses, I promise you, your clients are going to love their photos, and they are going to want to upgrade to the full gallery. So if you have any questions on this method that I use for upselling, I would be happy to answer those. Feel free to leave me a comment, and I would be happy to answer any questions you have. If you have any anything that you're struggling with that you want me to create a video on, I would be so happy to do that. So just let me know, and I would be happy to create videos that would be super helpful for you. So I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.